So I've been asked to put a quick promo video together for Leake and the business panel, business person's breakfast that is going on the 21st of July in Brisbane. And I have been asked to speak on worth and value. Now, why am I speaking at a business person's breakfast on this topic? Well, a lot of people don't know my background, that I have a big background in business as well as in a ministry space, and I think the marketplace is a profound community, and it presents us with a profound opportunity for transformation, spiritual formation, development, because you are in this place 40 hours a week. And so I'm very privileged and said, yeah, I would. It's local. I'd love to do it. So I'm going to be speaking on worth. Now, my background in business, including some study I'm undergoing at the moment. I'm doing a bachelor in organizational leadership. It's a business degree, and we review and understand business principles. Let me very quickly tell you what we're going to cover for the morning. I'm going to unpack. If you're in business and you're trying to set a price for a product or service, basically there are 4 options. This is textbook options. Number 1 is your cost plus option. Number 2 is your cost per hour option. Number 3 is your competitive based pricing option. Number 4 is your product based pricing option. Your cost plus, let's say this pen costs you $10 to make, and you know you need to make 50% markup on all your goods to survive and thrive and be profitable. Well, this would be a $15 pen. If it costs $20 to make, it's sold for $30. No questions asked. That's cost plus. If it's a product or service, maybe you're a writer or author, and you know that you can only write so many articles a week, so many articles a day, so many hours in a week, and you need this much to be profitable in your business. That will help you dictate and set your price on your cost per hour. Competitive based pricing. Perhaps these pens cost, if it's a value-based thing, is what do people say these things are worth? Now, this is a lovely fountain pen. It's a Leake pen that was given to me. I think they're German. I love writing with these. These cost about 40 or 50 bucks. But I don't know what these are going to cost the company to make, 10 bucks. But as long as I'm willing to pay 50, that will be the price that they're going to set, because they allow the market and what I think it's worth set that. Second, of course, is when your pricing option is your premium pricing, your luxury goods, your prestige, your exclusive things. And of course, with that comes higher expectations, another way to increase and set pricing. The fourth, quickly, is the product-based pricing. Depending on when you bring a product to market, you can have a skimming priced option, you can have a penetration price option, you can have a loss leader priced option. If you work in retail, you understand what some of those are. So there's 4 elements, 4 factors that dictate the value and worth of the products and services we sell. But what about when it comes to us? And here's what I know I've been invited to speak about. There are 4 things that dictate, 4 factors that dictate the worth that we carry, really within us, okay? Not how much you charge an hour, not how much your net worth, not how profitable or not profitable you are or aren't, but the sense of spirit and heart and core value of you and your personhood and your humanity and who you are. 4 things. Number 1 is your autobiographical self. It's the story you tell yourself about yourself, and that story has been formed by the life that you've lived, the people that have spoken into your life, especially your family of origin, mum, dad, siblings, brothers, sisters, and then going up, teachers, community workers, all that stuff. Everyone has helped you tell a story about yourself. That's your autobiographical self. Next thing is your physiological self. That tells you, there's something for me about being a white, middle-aged, middle-class Aussie that has with it a sense of worth and value today. Number 3 is your social, what your community says about you. Okay, what it's like to be you in community. What does community say about you? What do others say about you? What are the voice of your community and others telling you about your worth and your value? Are they speaking blessing, cursing? Are they encouragement? Are they uplifting? Are they down-putting? All those things can either, you know, cause dissonance, congruency, all sorts of stuff happen there. And the final one, of course, is the story that God talks about you. Now, if it was just as easy as singing, Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so, and I absolutely 100%, without a doubt, believe that, and that was my personal story, and that was the story society told me, and that was reflected in my physiological and geographical self in space and time, then no problem. But that is rarely ever the case. So we do this journey, and we paddle between these extremes, and we wrestle within that. But deep within our heart spirit is this longing to really be known, to be loved, to be connected with. And that is the heart journey, and that is the journey of worth. And that can spill over into business. It'll spill over into the way that you carry yourself around your clients, in the marketplace, and of course in your family, in your church community, and so on. So I look forward to meeting many of you at the breakfast, speaking, unpacking this, answering questions. The details will be in the description for the breakfast, and I hope to see some of you then. Shalom.